Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. On the mXrevival YZ500 suspension build, you can see that we got the suspension all torn apart. The lower lugs have been removed from the fork tubes. The next step for the fork tubes is to get this chrome polished up, and then they'll be sent off for DLC treatment. So check out all the kind of aesthetic scratches and marks these tubes have right now, as most of that won't be visually apparent once we're done with them. Here's the insides of the forks. The fork valving has already been updated to our JBI Suspension Motocross spec. On the mid valves, we updated the mid valve configuration to the leaf spring mid valve. That is what you would find in the new 2022 YZ125 and 250 two-stroke models. This has also been in the YZF model since 2018 on the 450s and 2019 on the 250Fs. The base valves have also been revalved as well. The free piston shafts, we're going to have anodized black. And here is our shock disassembled as well. The shock body will be getting treated along with all the other parts. The shock shaft has a lot of rust in it, so we are actually going to be replacing this and not utilizing it. And then the shock shaft will be DLC coated as well to match the front forks. Here's the spring that we received with it too. It's seen some better days. I think we're likely going to just replace the spring. The rust is the most suspect part of it, so not something we really want to deal with on a piece of metal that needs to flex a lot. That's not really conducive for the function of a spring. So here's the update of where we're at so far. We will keep you guys updated as this build comes together. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. If you like your own suspension built by us, please give us a call or send us an email. Thank you for watching. Bye.